Our today's topic is Kaizen, the philosophy of Kaizen, which was introduced by Japanese management people in the industrial field. But actually, this has become a lifestyle management of Japanese guys also. It has become a very important concept in Japan. Actually, what happened after Second World War? Japan wanted to enter the world industrial field with the strength of quality. They wanted to enter it with team dynamics. They wanted to have a complete waste-free environment. And for this, they actually came up with an excellent philosophy, and that was Kaizen. Kaizen means Kai for change and Zen for betterment. That is, change for betterment is Kaizen. Here, actually, Kaizen concentrates on you to improve every day, you to improve everywhere, you to improve at every possible opportunity, and you to improve along with all and at a very, very incremental level. So the improvement is in incremental level. It is involving everyone. It is at every possible opportunity, and it is at every time. And this gives extraordinary results, because with this kind of philosophy, you move towards a certain target. And now, after that target is achieved, you change the target. You get a better one. And again start this philosophy, the steps of Kaizen in incremental level, starting with you every time, everywhere, and involving everyone. Is it not the best example of team dynamics? I wish to tell you one important thing. In Kaizen, right from the CEO to the cleaner's crew, everyone is involved. And that is why the results which we get out of Kaizen are extraordinary. Actually, as I said, Kaizen controls the waste. It's a most effective tool for the waste management. There are many wastes in industry. The first waste is overproduction. The second waste is unnecessary movements of the workers. The third waste is waiting for a job in assembly line, and this waiting time also is a waste. Unnecessary material handling is a waste. There are so many wastes, and because of these wastes, the productivity gets seriously compromised. Even the defects is a waste, because to correct a defect, many machine hours, many labor hours, worker strain, everything gets compromised, and that is why this correction of the defect too is a waste. All the waste have to be eliminated, and for this we have many tools under Kaizen umbrella. JIT, just in time, is one of the tools. JIT is actually just in time, is actually a very effective inventory control device. Then there is Kanban, where we insist on pulling and not pushing. In assembly line, we pull the material. We do not push the material towards the assembly line. This gets extreme control over inventory again. Quality circle is the best example related to team dynamics, because in quality circle, the people associated with certain workplace, 5 number, 7 in number, 8 in number, they'll meet once in a week for 1 hour. They discuss their problems, try to find out the solutions to their problems, making the teams. They make brainstorming. They come up with the solutions. They think about the improvement steps, and they adopt Kaizen. They do it every day, every time, every moment, and come up with the improvements with a improved target which they achieve, and go for the next target in their next meeting about the problems, about the solutions, and about everything. They make a brainstorming and get the results. This is an excellent example of team dynamics, which is known as quality circle. Actually, we need to talk about quality circle, just-in-time principle, Kanban a lot in details. But right now, with respect to Kaizen, when we are talking, we'll restrict ourselves to this brief introduction to these concepts. The fourth one is 5S. It is about orderliness. It is about cleanliness. It is about cleaner surrounding. It is about your own cleanliness. It is about your discipline. And all these things together, they are also very important for implementing Kaizen and getting the best results out of Kaizen. As I said, Kaizen gives us incremental improvement results. Achieving the target, whole organization is working on it, and the results which we get are far more encouraging. What happens is, when you innovate something, or when there is a breakthrough solution for something, or when we upgrade ourselves in technology, the things are definitely to change a lot. The improvements are certainly far more than actually what a Kaizen should be giving. But what happens is, innovations are not certain. Breakthrough solution is not certain. Every day it does not happen. It is by chance. And that is why the improvement we get out of innovation or out of all these things or technological upgradation may not be certain. But the results in Kaizen are certain, they are definite, they are happening every day, they are happening with team dynamics, they are taking care of waste, all the things, they are taking care of even the strain of the people. Pokayok is under Kaizen. This concept is actually about improving your creativity. And your brain will be concentrated on creativity and it will not concentrate on correcting the defects. It will not waste time on correcting the defects, waste machine hours, waste labor hours, and they get strain out of it. A discrepancy is created, Mura, and Muri, waste, discrepancy and strain, all these have to be eliminated to get a most lean surrounding in the industrial field, and that is why Kaizen is very important. Now I talked about the defect prevention. Did we not talk about defect prevention in Six Sigma? Yes, in Six Sigma also we concentrated on defect prevention only. So when Kaizen and Six Sigma complement each other, the results will be astonishing because Six Sigma is a costlier project. It has definite results, but Kaizen has no cost at all. We are getting everything out of no cost and the team dynamics is improved. The strain of the worker is removed. There are many advantages of Kaizen, many advantages of Six Sigma, and they have to complement each other. They have to combine to get the best result to the industrial sector. I wish to mention few more things. In Japan, people are so fond of change that I have read it somewhere. If two friends meet each other after a week, they look at each other very curiously to find out anything that has been changed. That means change is very important in Japanese industrial philosophy and their usual life also. But generally, what is the scene on the shop floor? What is the scene in the offices? If you will go to them and you will try to suggest them something, they will say, Mister, right now we are very busy and we are not interested in anything that will change our usual process. We have been doing it for years and now we are very busy. We'll talk about it some other time. And this some other time never arrives because we do not want a change at all. We want to remain what we are. We want to keep our own processes and we want to enjoy the status quo. And Kaizen is against status quo. And that is why this philosophy has certainly given extraordinary results, and nowadays people have started realizing that Kaizen should be adopted everywhere. Toyota production system adopted Kaizen, and you know Toyota company is the biggest automotive industry in the world. In India, Cadillac has implemented Kaizen and enjoying the best results. Thanks for watching. If you find this video knowledgeable, like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, comments or queries about this video, please write them into the comment section below.